Okay, so kids, okay, prepare your ingredients. So these are the ingredients that we need. Don't forget your bread. Okay, ready your bread. Okay, your cheese. Okay, so don't forget your cheese. Very good. Okay, then next kids, don't forget your cooked ham. If you don't have the cooked ham, it's okay to have the slice of boiled egg. Okay, then don't forget your mayo. Mayo. And don't forget, if you have, kids, if you have lettuce, if you have the bell pepper or the tomatoes, it's okay. That's optional. Okay, then kids, don't forget also your spoon and your plate. We will use that one also. Okay, so now, let's start. Okay, so everyone, ready? Okay, first, okay, let's make our sandwich na. Rui, Tika, Mia, Farhan, Martha, also Theo, Leona, and Irish. Let's begin. Okay, so kids, first, I want you to put the bread on top of your plate. Okay, put the bread on top of your plate like this. Okay, put the bread on top of your plate. Okay, then next, kids. Okay, let's have now your mayo and your spoon. Scoop or put some mayo on both slices of bread. Don't forget to spread it. Okay, spread the mayo on both slices of bread. Wow! Don't put too much, kids, ha? Proper amount lang.
That's not too much.
Go Theo, go Martha, go Leona, go Irish, go Mia, go Farhan, go Rui, go Tika. Ayan. Okay, don't forget to spread the mayo on both slices of bread. Yes, very good. Go Rui, go Tika, go Farhan, go Mia, go Leona, go Theo, go Irish, go Martha.
Too much. It's not too much. Spread it like this.
If you're done, let's wait for your classmate.
Spread it.
Ayan, very good kids. Good job. Okay, spread the mayo on both slices of bread.
You can put more.
Wow, very good. Okay, then. Wow. Very good, kids. Okay, then if you're done, okay po, next kids, okay po, let's ready now your sliced boiled egg or your ham. Okay, let's have your ham. Okay, so kids, place the ham on top of your one bread. Okay, place the ham on top of your one bread like this. Ayan, good job. After the ham, okay po, don't forget your cheese. Okay, ayan. Then kids, place the cheese on top of the ham.
Only one.
Okay, ayan. Place the cheese on top of the ham. Then, if you have, kids, if you have the lettuce, tomatoes, or onions, or bell pepper, you can add that one on top of the cheese. Okay, ayan. Is that one on top? Okay. Very good, everyone. You're doing great. Good job. Very good, Mia, Farhan, Tika, Ruby, Irish. Very good, Leona, Marta, and Theo. Good job. Very
One
good.
lettuce pa.
After the
One
lettuce kids or the tomato or the onion or bell pepper, let's have the other slice of your bread. Okay, cover it now with the other slice of bread.
Tomato.
Okay.
The tomato.
Get the remaining slice, cover your bread like that.
Hold the
And
tomato. Hold the tomato.
ta-da!
Hold the tomato.
You're
Put it
done
here.
making your sandwich. Wow, very good, everyone.
Okay.
Very good.
The other one.
Good job. Okay, so kids.
Oh, put the lettuce again.
Very good. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Okay, let's wait for Teo. Wait lang, kids. Let's wait for
Okay.
Teo and Irish. Go,
Okay.
Irish.
Okay na lang.
Let's wait. Okay, then let's have a quick picture before you take a bite. Okay, thank you. Ayan, go Irish. Ayan, Teo is also done.
Let's
Very good,
Let's slice it.
Irish.
let's slice.
Yay, very good, Irish. Cover. Cover it, Irish. Cover. It's okay. Don't need to remove.
Oh, show it to teacher.
Go Irish.
Hold it here.
Ah, you place the tomato and the patty now. Ayan, let's wait for Irish lang, kids. Wait lang, very quick.
It will go.
Ayan, very good. Careful.
Wait for
You
that.
ask like, Kuya, is it okay to help Irish to cover the sandwich? Okay, wait lang, Irish.